Hi, my name is Anna. Today I will tell you a story about me and my husband Jack. I had a happy life. I was married to Jack, the man I loved. We lived in a small house in a quiet neighborhood. Every morning we shared breakfast. Every evening we talked about our day. Life felt peaceful. I thought my life with Jack was perfect. We laughed together, made plans, and loved each other. There were no big problems, or so I thought. One day, things started to change. Jack came home late from work, more often than before. When he was home, he seemed distracted. He didn't talk as much. I noticed. "Are you okay, Jack?" I asked one evening, my voice soft. Jack smiled, but it was a smile that didn't reach his eyes. "I'm fine," he said. "Just tired, that's all." But I didn't believe him. Something was wrong. One day, while cleaning the house, I found something unexpected. It was an old letter tucked away in Jack's desk. I opened it. The words inside shocked me. The letter was from a woman named Emma. It talked about her feelings for Jack, about love and memories from the past. My heart raced. I had never heard of Emma before. Who was she? Why was Jack hiding this letter? I couldn't keep my thoughts to myself anymore. I had to ask Jack about the letter. "Jack," I said quietly, holding the letter up, "who is Emma?" Jack's face turned pale. He didn't say anything at first. Then he sighed deeply. "Emma, she was someone from my past," Jack admitted, his voice shaky. "We were very close, but I thought I had moved on. I never wanted to hurt you, Anna." I couldn't believe what I was hearing. Why hadn't he told me about her? Why did he keep this secret? Jack explained everything. He told me that before we met, he and Emma had been in love. They had plans to marry, but something happened. They both changed, and Jack ended the relationship. "I thought about Emma from time to time," Jack said, his voice soft. "But when I met you, I knew I had found the love of my life. I never meant to hide Emma from you." I listened carefully. I was hurt, but I could see that Jack was being honest now. He was telling me the truth, but the pain of the secret still stung. I didn't know what to feel. I loved Jack, but now there was doubt in my heart. How could I trust him again? Why hadn't he told me about Emma before? I needed time to think. For days, I walked alone, thinking about the past and the future. I asked myself, can I forgive him? Can I move on? After thinking about everything, I knew I had to make a choice. I met Jack at our favorite cafe, where we had shared so many good memories. We sat quietly for a moment before I spoke. "I know you made a mistake by not telling me about Emma," I said softly. "But I also know that you love me. I see it in your eyes every day." "I love you, Anna," he said, his voice full of emotion. "And I will never hide anything from you again." I took a deep breath. I wasn't sure if I could forget the past, but I knew that moving forward would require trust. "I want to try," I said. "I want to move forward, but we need to be honest with each other, always. Love is about more than just the good times. It's about trust, honesty, and understanding." Jack and I knew that our journey was far from perfect, but we were ready to face the future together. The truth was out, and now we could rebuild our relationship, one step at a time.